screen recorder. If you zoom it also on something, it is very good. Okay, just I will try to finish by in this morning section. So first git and Jenkins, like that. Okay, so here it is. First of all, I already told no. So search, test, build, test, and deploy. Build, test, and deploy. So this is execute automation channel. So there you can find easy. Easy means no, less theory, more practical. You must know how to do few basic things. At least Python file you should know. Java is not required to know, but at least you should know Python kind of stuff. So then you can easily learn from here. Okay, it is directly can learn it from execute automation channel about this. Second, you can also paid course is available. Build, deploy, test. This course is already I purchased it, which is freely. Now it is paid course. Now it is a paid course. Okay. For example, you want to learn something. That's what I'm trying to say. You want to learn about something like a Jenkins or a Git. Search about in a Udemy. Okay, so there is a paid courses are available. Amount should be paid, and certain times it is offer is there. I think it is also one of the best offer. So I never seen anything less than 300. So it is more than 300 cost only. So this is also best cost. If you find any course which is related to you, some courses are hard cost is there, some courses are very less cost. You want to learn about Devops, you want to learn about AWS, Azure kind of stuff. So this is certainly the cost is also there. Okay, and you want to try something newly, like you don't want to pay amount now. You will try first something like free courses. You will go with it. May not be cover everything, but like this it is. It's a 2 hours, 24 lectures, just Jenkins for a beginners. This is also free course. Raghava Pal means it is a our Indian guy. Is something name is there. We don't know who is that candidate. But Raghava Pal, Karthik, KK, okay, Sirgur, Bhushan. These are you can see Indian names. So obviously Indians are better in teaching also. Okay, the language we feel more connected than a language is British accent or a fake accent, fake British accent or British accent. Okay, so or any American fake American accent or American accent. Yeah, some people try to spell like that. Okay, so there's so Jenkins from the scratch. You can search it, like you can just watch it, then you can improve. As I said earlier, keep doing it, so then you can find. But not every time everyone is good. Okay, so it is Shikar Varma. Okay, no, try to go to this. Either it is a free course or paid course. Okay, first go through this star rating and the comments also. So if your comments are satisfied, anyway, it is a free. You can try it. Okay, but if it is a paid course, compulsory, go through once the comment section also. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. You guys understand how to learn easily? Okay, this is helped me a lot understanding faster way, not a just like a theory of 1 hour 2 hours we have to wait to understand. Okay, so it is not like, so I immediately understand what is Jenkins, how to install Jenkins and all kind of stuff. But he showed in that too in Windows, so it is very helpful. And I tried the same thing in a Jenkins from Edurek also. Certain videos on Windows based, certain videos are in a Linux based. So first time I tried in Linux actually, but it's not much easier earlier because my the setting is that. But because of this Windows based, so I understand how to do it in a Linux easily. Okay, so this is how to learn. Guys, yesterday we have seen how to do this GitHub in a in a Windows, in our main basic system, but we'll try to do it this one in our Linux system. Why DevOps in Linux is better? Look at here. We are discussed about a certain tools also yesterday. Okay, not a win. So these are all Windows 10 with the Oracle, Windows 10 with the DevOps. Okay, that machine is also there. This is also Windows 10 with the DevOps also. So last class we have our own Linux PC, Batch 17 Linux PC with some hard disk in it. 2 GB RAM is enough. It is more than enough, and we have a two adapters. Okay, also there. So we use those two adapters also here. Of course, internet connectivity is required, guys. VM net 0 or NAT, anything must be connected. Okay, anything must be connected. Actually, I want to take batch 17 DevOps. That time I created this virtual machine, but I am unable to take the class. Okay, this is I have done practicals on it. This is also Linux base, DevOps Linux. Okay, I want to show you our machine. This is ours, right? So we can do it in our own Linux GUI mode screen. Okay, we can do it. CLI also no problem, because I tried on CLI. That is always that is I feel very best in that one. Okay, so we discussed about a certain tools, guys. The tools like a Puppet, Ansible, Chef, SaltStack, easily we can run on a Linux, because it runs based on a Linux based systems. The Docker is also very easy to run, and it will take very less amount of RAM. When I tried Docker on other virtual machines like a Windows 10 virtual machine, it taken a too much time. Okay, so that's the problem with the Windows based operating systems to Linux. So the very easy to implement on a Linux based system. Of course, already I showed there is a certain videos of mine is there, so you can use it. They're all Windows based. Now I am trying to show you in the Linux based. I changed my network, guys, again. So initially I'm in Pune. Sorry, yeah, Pune to Vishaka, Hyderabad to Visakhapatnam. Again I'm in Hyderabad. Again my IP address will change. Earlier it is 29 192 dot 168 dot 29 dot something 29 dot something. Now it is again it will be different. Okay. This is my Linux PC. Go to terminal. Yes, it is showing is connected, but how many networking is connected? We see how to check IP address, guys. If config or a IP. So this is a static IP for VMnet 1 binding I done. So this is a my VMnet 0 first adapter. Okay, this is my adapter. Okay, 190.168.1.2. Okay, so if you want to log in with the putty, also you can do with the putty also. That is give you more screen compatible. Um, where is putty? Here some putty is there. Okay, I put a one dot. What is the what again? Check it. 1.2. Okay, this is the IP address. So then go to appearance. 20 points are very good. So colors, any colors. So okay, foreground, background kind of stuff colors. Yes, it is a black, bold, black, background, white. Okay, appearance is 20, and this is the IP address. Open, because I think we already opened this Linux earlier. Most probably we won't get a problem. Why it is taking time? Network error. Oh, okay. We'll try. Login as a root admin at the rate 123. Okay. So either you log in as a root and do it. It's always better to log in with a regular user, mainly sudo user. Okay. You can also log in with a sudo user also. So you can save the session or you can create a new session also. Okay. Duplicate session also you can create. So duplicate session student 17a admin at the rate 123. Wrong password, right? Student 17a. Okay. So this is normal regular user. Root you can also do it. Student also you can do it. No problem anything. But we are going to install yum install, right? So yum clean all first of all. To install anything, yum clean all. Guys, are you able to recollect the things? Repolist. There is some problem is there for a network related. If down NS37 two adapters are there now. One adapter is will give you a problem. Why I'm getting this kind of problem? I'm connected to internet, so then it should not give any problem. So try to ping FNC 192.168. It's 1.2 myself 1.1. Yes, I'm able to ping FNC to www.google.com. Check you are able to connect internet or not. Unknown name. So naming problem is also there. Whatever it is. Let's attach this one. Which mirror list it is? Where is this mirror list and all now? Big problem. By dollar stock and stuff. So this part only. No problem. Why still it is showing same problem? Repo, go to stock. Hmm. This is extra. This is extra. Extra is also there, no? Same thing is extra, and infra is equal to dollar infra. Yes, enable zero. Write that one only. Hmm. Necessarily.
Sir, I think you did if down, right? After that, you haven't done if up.
Okay, if down, that is no problem. That is no. If down, I done if down for a ENS 37 only. Okay, and to even you can if only I have done this and not 33. Okay, if I put it at 33, I will disconnect it. Okay, so if config, you can check it. So I tried on this 37 only. It is 33. This is internet connectivity. Okay, because I got IP address from router kind of stuff. There's a two important things. One is, are you able to connect internet? You have to verify. That is first one. Second one is, why that repository is giving problem. So we can try from here like this. We can try like this. Okay, just try to connect anything like a google.com also you can try by google.com or youtube.com. You are unable to connect it, so there is a problem in the network, most possible. Okay, I put a turn off and connect. So wide setting, setting is ready. Two connections. So you got a IP address directly from DHCP server. And where is the DNS server address? What is my physical machine IP address? I want to, I thought same thing only. I'll get a problem when I want to show really. So this is a DNS server address. I think it is not getting any DNS. DNS automatic. Now we'll try. Apply. Try again. Apply. Okay. Turn off. Turn on. Details are not yet came, so it will come. So that is the power of DNS. So DNS is turned off. Now I got a DNS address. Okay, can you able to see, right? I got a DNS address.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so DNS is turned off earlier. Now try to open some website. So if you don't get a internet, you can't able to get it. That's it. So it is not throwing an error. It is opening. Even in a slow manner, it is opening. So next you have to open Google. Okay, very good. So that's the problem, not a repository kind of stuff problem. It is internet problem. Why I disabled a one adapter, that is second adapter why I disabled, because of if two adapters are there, so system will get confused. Okay, so this is the power of DNS. And how to install git in Linux, like that you can also put it like a git download. Go to git website, downloads for a so open the git website. There we can find which one you want to install. Download for Linux, just click on a download for Linux. You want to install it for a Ubuntu. Okay, now it is good. So somewhat wasted a time, but it's okay. Okay, Ubuntu, Fedora. In Fedora directly you can put a yum install git. Okay, see which type of operating system. This is Red Hat, CentOS, Oracle. So we can directly you can download a tarball build kind of stuff it is showing. Okay, or any other operating system. See Solaris in Linux, pkg util, pkg in a Linux free bsd kind of stuff. Fedora, yum, or you can see the latest version DNF, apt-get for Ubuntu. Package management, apt-get, Debian and Ubuntu, Fedora, or Fedora, uh, Oracle, Red Hat, CentOS. These are yum. Any latest version like 8 version, 9 versions, you have Red Hat 9, Red Hat 8. So that is DNF, package management. Yum, up to 7 version. Different versions, different names. PKG is a free BSD, Unix, Solaris, PKG install. See, this is some other kind of stuff. You can download a package, which one you are want it. You can directly take the package. Okay, download it as a CZ kind of stuff. That is HTML document. So what is the latest? So 2.9.5 is showing here. You can download ZZ or XZ. You can download it. The latest version is 2.36.1. Okay, just you have to type this command is enough. So what? How to type the command? So then I'm connected already internet. Now it works. Yum clean all. Okay. Again clean all. Then repository. Repo list. Now it will load all the repositories in our PC. Okay. Totally three things you have to do it, guys. First of all, what I'm trying to do is here in my CentOS 7, I am installing Git. So the first one I have done, check a internet connection, of course. Okay. Next one is DNS connection also. First, normally that is troubleshooting. N clean all. M repolist. Okay, this is the first point. Of course, EPAL is already installed. EPAL is already installed. If you don't install EPAL, then you have to install it. Okay. I'm getting little angry because this adjustment. I am doing something and it is doing another thing. Release. I find why. Okay. So try to install the EPL release. Okay. Once you are done, again yum clean all. Then put a yum repolist. After that one, do yum update. I find why percentage reboot. What is reboot command for rebooting? Otherwise, separate yum update space hyphen y, leave it. Once it is updated, reboot manually. Reboot is a command to reboot the PC. Once rebooted, continue. So already I have done this one, so I'm not doing it again at present. At present, later I will do it. Okay. So again, yum clean all kind of stuff is there now. I'm installing yum install git. Before going to install, always verify yum info git. Okay. So make sure that which version is you are doing it. Yeah, finally it is came yum. Put a clear yum info git. It is showing as a version it is 1.8.3.1, but as my search it is showing a latest version is 2.36. Either this or that you can able to use it. So it is get to 2.3.6, sorry 2.36.1. This version is there. Okay, you can save in your local PC. Okay, like this. Okay, or you can go to the older versions. You can go for older versions also here. So I am downloading latest version. I click on here. Okay, so I downloaded where it is located, the location of the package, where it is located, /root downloads this package. Okay, so either this we have to do in a different ways. Okay, so or like we can't install directly like that. Either you do like this. First of all, right click, open with archive manager. Okay, and extract it, then we can do it. Okay, so last class I didn't tell you how to extract the package. Now we will tell. So look at it. Otherwise, if you continue, you will install this package only. So we'll see that one. First of all, ls you have a downloads, cd downloads. So you have a this package. It is showing in a red in color. So ls space hyphen l. I will try. This is a zipped, guys. Tar zipped. The command is tar hyphen gz. It is a gz. Extracting command is x. For extracting command is x. Okay. It is a gz. It means we should use small z. Yeah. So git like this. I think it is not gz. Like you can use help command. It's a gz, right? So it is a gz. Go to help. That's a mistake. Um, help, tar help. That is gzip kind of stuff. So out of this is for creating archive. This is for extracting archive. X for extracting. Next, this is small j for bz2. That's my mistake. Capital J for a xz file, and yeah, small z for a zzip. zip. Okay, so what I have done, so not small j, small z, extract the file. See, there is a directory, ls, this is the directory, it is the content of the directory. You want to see, I am showing very high. Okay, see, this is the directory content. We are extracted the package. Okay, you can use it from here, otherwise you can tell this is a where the package is located, like that. Okay, okay, this is the latest one, so don't worry about what is latest one. This will confuse you more. Okay, like that also we can download, extract and use. What it is, download a package, extract it and use it. So when you are using it, make sure you have to put this thing in a proper place. There is, I think, many .sh files are there. You have to check it. We have a .sh files. Okay, setup .sh files. So many executable files are there. So you have to tell to your system this is the location of your file. Any bin files are there? Nothing. Otherwise, guys, simple yum install git. It's very better. Already latest version is installed. Okay, so already git is installed, so no need to install it again. So like this also we can able to install. So I told next, or we can use, download, extract. Okay, and give path where you extracted. So this is the part we can able to do it. So now git is installed. Make sure that whether it is your installed or not. So this is the first command, git hyphen hyphen version. Git 1.8.3.1 is installed, so we can use it, no problem. That is our git version. Next, if git is working or not, put the git command, so then we will understand by like this. Okay, so the first command is what I use, guys, git version. Okay. You can use this command from here, it is very easy, hyphen hyphen version, and also type git, so then we will understand git is working, no problem at all about a git. You want to know the path of git, so then also you can try find slash hyphen name git, so know where the git is, bin file is there. Okay, yeah, this is the location of your git executable file. Git command file is executing from here. Okay, okay, this is the location of git, find slash hyphen name git. So out of all the git kind of stuff, this is important. This is the location of git. Remember. Next. Okay. So first of all, we'll try what is the thing in the git. Okay. So guys, again, this is my local PC. I have to create a working directory. This is my working directory. Okay. This is my Linux PC. Okay. This is my Linux PC. This is my working directory. Okay. This is my working directory. And here it is. First of all, I have to create a file, right? So for you, I want to install something like a, I will install Python also. Yum install Python 3. How to install Python 3? Better put a star here. Now how many Python 3 point something is there? So Python 3.6 is available for Linux. Otherwise you can go to browser. Okay. So go to this Python website. Okay. Download Python for Linux. Yeah, your Fibonacci series still there. For Windows, all release. Okay, you want Windows and Linux. Linux. This is a Linux base P3.10.4. Okay, the stable version is this one. You want a compressed version, or zipped version, or a RPM version. So go to that one. Find out what is this. How to find the version. 3.6 is directly available. Okay, xzip version is there. You can download, and again it is, this is another zip version. Same thing, like you have to extract it. Okay, extract it and connect it. Otherwise directly can able to install it. Install Python 3. Okay, their package, important packages, Python 3. Okay, version is 3.6 installing. Python pip is also installing. Press Y. Guys, what I have done, I installed Git, then I'm installing Python also. The next time I will install, next time I will install Java also, so don't worry. So I installed Python. Okay, now I'm going to create a directory, mkdir slash project. Okay, my projects, or projects. So I create a directory, projects, and chmod, sorry, ls-ld slash project. Guys, it is others cannot able to access. So I want make everyone can able to access this folder. How to make it? By changing permission. Chmod 777 means give access permission to everyone. Give access permission to everyone. Okay. Now everything I do from now, I'll do it inside this project file. Okay. Nothing is there, so I'll do it everything in this project file only. First of all, I will create a file cat mm, demo B17 Python B17 program 1 pro 1 .py, something like that. Okay, no, double greater. Now tell me something. So print welcome to git. Okay, so I'm writing a script here. Okay, I'm writing a script here. So welcome to git, and so you can put something as you required, like a like a for I in range of 5. Okay, okay, so then you have to give some space like this. Print hello, or a print I is simple. Print I, that's it. Okay, now control D, I saved it. ls space hyphen l b17, like this. Guys, we can't execute this one, like you type python 3 b17. It is executing, but I want to, if you want to edit, if you want to add a x also, we can edit using chmod. Okay, now it is executing. Guys, understand what I'm doing? I installed python and I created a directory. Inside I created a python file, and I've written a some program inside. Now I can able to do it. Okay, are you getting what I'm doing or not?
Yes, sir.
So why we should tell each and every step for understanding is, like, while you are doing, you create everything proper order, so then we'll understand very easily. Okay, so I went to my cd, there nothing is there. Okay, I created a one file with some program in it. Yeah. How to run a python file in the linux. Of course you can write a python code as a, like a IDLE type also screen will come, but this is a program is created. Now I'm going to create another directory inside. Okay, I'm going to create another directory is b17 projects, 5 projects 1, 5 project 1 directory I'm creating inside of that one. So see, this is a directory. I'm copying this file b17 file. Does it look like a revising? Is it? Do you feel is it look like a revising Linux?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then good. Okay, so I copied a file. So what are I done? So I copied a file. I went inside of the file. This is the file, guys. It is there. Again, step by step. We don't have a time to do revision also. At least few commands, if you get it again, mind will be connected. Grep command, find command, these are all we need to know things. And compulsory, guys, 20 commands, right? At least 20 commands. Linux architecture, these are very important. Basic minimum knowledge is required anyway. Okay, guys, this is a thing we have done. Finally, we have a file. Now, git thing we have to do it. Okay, what is the first thing I have to do it? I have to go to GitHub. I have to go to GitHub. GitHub. Yeah. Okay. So the logins keep changing from there. So I already log in, so my login is already there, so I'm not doing anything, simply I'm creating repository. Okay, so I'm creating a repository with this folder name, with this folder name. Okay, with this folder name, same folder name I'm creating. Got it? So then it is sample by project. Okay, public. You can put a private also, no problem. Okay, if you are only accessing, private is also okay. Okay, public, anybody can access, you can able to access, but you cannot push the code, you can take the code. Okay, that is also I will tell in a second point. Okay, so this is code created, copy this, keep it like this only, we know what to do. Okay, so what to do this, all these things. So copy this. This is the git kind of stuff. I created a new repository. Okay, so this is the repository name, public. So this is what we created. Under this is the name we created. Okay, created, and I made this one as a public. You can put it in a private also, no problem. Okay, this is the HTTPS link, and this is the telling what to do, how to upload, kind of stuff. I yesterday already given this point. Okay, so point is what I'm going doing from my side. I'll do it, guys. Step by step, listen. It is you are creating new repository. When you new repository, so I have a directory, right? In this directory, I'm in this directory. I'm in this directory. It is in my Linux PC. Linux PC I'm doing here. I'm in this directory. In this directory, git init. Initiate the git repository. Check ls space hyphen a. You can find .git folder and your file also. You have a file. You can see that file also. Okay, you can see that one also. Next, what to do? Git status. Git status. Next, git add dot. Guys, I didn't go to this particular hidden folder. I didn't go there. Okay, don't go there. Don't go there. Okay, so don't go there. Your actual folder must be this one. If you have a doubt, keep putting a pwd. Put a pwd. Okay, your present working directory. Check your present working directory. You are in this directory, and you have to keep like that only. Dot means, guys, all files in the current directory. All files in the current directory. Next, git commit. When you do commit, it throws some error. When you do commit, it throws some error. That comments also will see. So one by one, up to here we'll try. This is called a creating local repositories. This part is local repository. Exactly say we are in a local repository. So what are other few things you have to do it? I will show you now. Okay, because it's working now. Now I'm in a root, that is okay. Check the pwd and check the ls space hyphen a. So these are the file. I'm in this particular directory, git init, initiate the git. Now empty git is created, ls space hyphen a. Look at here, git folder is created. Now okay, now you can see here it is. um, git status. What happened? This file is should be added, not at added. What to do? Git add space dot. Add all files in the current directory and git status will tell you yes it is new file is added. You have to commit. Now when I'm doing commit, so this time it will throw a lot of errors. Don't worry. Not errors. Errors are different. Messages are different. So understand whatever it is showing on your screen. Okay. So I put a commit message is first commit. So when it is you are doing it, what it is asking you have to do, you have to give your name and an email ID. You can then only you can do it. So this is the error I am trying to copy from here. Yeah, you can give like this also. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is so take entire part because it's not a interruption. It is not a flow. It is only one time only you have to do it. Your name, email ID are configured automatically based on your name and host name. It is already configured based on. Please check the error accurate and suppress the message by setting explicitly. So you have to configure like this. First of all, it is automatically configured like this, but I don't want like that. I want to configure, sorry, that's a mistake. I want to configure with my some name kind of stuff. Name is B17 Linux. This is root. Okay, so that is point you have to tell. Okay, root. So I given a username. Next one is you have to give email ID. Okay, so email ID you can give like this B17 any email anything as a email ID you can give. Okay, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or some host mail kind of stuff you can able to give. I am giving example.com. Okay, and so you have to give these two things. Okay, these two things you have to give. I given like this. Okay, guys, understand these two parameters you must give. What these are a global configuration in your local PC. Who is committing? Which user is committing? And what is their email ID? This part we have to give. Once you have given, try the commitment again. Okay, try commitment again. Nothing to commit. Your working directory is clean. Next, guys, this part is completed. Local part is completed. Now, remote repository part. You have to push this configuration to remote repository to the remote repository. You have to give the remote address. You have to give the remote address. So go to here, copy this address. Okay, of course it is given. See, like this only you have to type, or you can copy and paste is also okay, acceptable. Git remote add origin and paste the link. This link. Okay, git remote add origin. Now you are added the remote repository information in .git. If you add again, it says remote origin already existed, already you are added. So finally is a push. Again we'll get a column, so we'll see. Of course, for first time only column it is. You can see push origin master. Okay, so you have to know which branch it is, master branch or main branch. So you have to do it. So sometimes in Git we create as a main branch, then you have to specify it as a main branch, master branch, branch one branch. Now it is asking username. My username is Vedicsoft CTS. Password. I forget my password. Yeah, it is saying authentication failure. So why authentication is failure? So I will tell. Type host name. Okay, this is the host name, right? So take the host name. Okay, take the host name. Go here. First of all, go to settings. Go to developer settings. Okay, guys. Go to developer settings. We need a personal access token. Personal access token. So you can take a generated token kind of stuff like a generated token. Oh, it is asking password. Okay, so token for my host name. Okay, token for this particular machine for 30 days, or you can extend it also, no problem. You can give it for 60 days, 90 days also you can give. So what are the things you want to do it from there? So you can give all the selection. Okay, guys, if you like it, then please check it. This is the token, I think. If you copy now only, if you copy again, if you say you will copy again, then it is, you won't get it. Okay, this is GitHub token for my PC, so for my B17 Linux one. Okay, so this is the token. Just copy first only, so you can't copy it again. And go to your profile, your repositories. Okay, this is the project we created. Still nothing is uploaded, right? So we'll go to the, here it is. So we support password authentication as removed in August 2013. I know that one, same day only we have tried, and it is, yeah, even this is also little confusion. Yeah, I put a token here. I copied a token here. Simply, we can't see. Just you have to copy this one. Just you have to copy this one, and then right click here. When it is asking password, right click here. So is it not throwing any error, right? So then we have to go to this and refresh this. You may see our Python file. See this? It is there. Guys, this is how to upload a file. Next, if you change anything in this file, for example, vi B17 file. Now I want to do some further development. Some further development. So here it is like a insert, hyphen, insert, right? Remember and forget. Print by, okay. So I just only one line I added. So now one change is occur, new changes occur in my file. Again, not required git initialize. Just check the git status. It is saying this file is modified. This file is modified. What do you want to do it? Do you want to revert it? Do you want to revert it, or you want to add the modification? Git add dot, so modify, it is modified. Now only thing is git commit hyphen m. Okay, my second commit. Okay, so commit is completed. This is up to local. And what is new one? So we'll see git remote add is not required. Only we require a push hyphen u, means with username and password, origin, master branch. Okay, either it will ask a password and all. If it is not storing here, you have to give it again and again. And important is you have to give this personal token as a password. Just right click there and it will upload. It won't show you what is happened there. Okay, so this is what happened with your GitHub. Okay, so verify whether new commitment is done. See, it is first commitment. This is the data, right? Just refresh. Okay, so who committed? Second commitment. Who done a second commitment? B17 root. You can see who committed second commitment. See, commitment name and when it is committed, last commitment time. So this is the change. Okay, so I showed in a only master branch wise only. It is a main branch wise only. You can create a multiple branches. You can commit into the different branches also. That is also there, but it has become very big one. Up to now you understand, guys, very simple manner.
Yes, sir. Let's
Okay, so I will stop at this small point. Okay, just take a 5 minutes break and I will show you. Just 5 minutes break is enough. I will show you other one more git. No, two git I will show you. Okay, so then you don't get confused because I told lengthy installation and all. Okay, take a break. So next part you have to tell me, then I will do it. Okay.